Why does your scanner show the P1607 engine code? What does it mean? P1607 is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates an internal circuit malfunction in the powertrain control module, PCM. It indicates that the powertrain control mode has detected an internal cut failure. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Blown fuse, internal circuit failure, faulty ECM/PCM, poor electrical connections, voltage issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, especially in Chrysler, Honda Civic, Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.